shit? Microwaving shit. 4 or 3. I don't care. I got popcorn. Fuck you.
Fuck your popcorn. We have videos to make. We got a new microwave. Its name is Morgisha because it's blacker than Morgan.
Yup.
We're doing a bar of swap, some light bulbs, a couple pens and pencils and highlighters and stuff, a speaker, and we're gonna redo a CD, but we're gonna stand it up and get it on slow-mo. So that's the plan.
I'm gonna eat popcorn.
Okay. CD. Gonna get a good view of it. Holy shit. Okay. That smells poopy. Is it? It's quite neat though.
We'll do one at a time.
Wonder if this will explode.
I hope so. What the? I take that as a yes.
Scared the fuck out of me.
Cotton candied that bitch.
Oh my god, that's so cool. It came all out of the top.
That's awesome.
Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Should we do more? It decorated the fuck out of our microwave. Dude, that's so cool. Dang. That is warm fuzz right there. It's really inky.
No! Fucking, I want to eat popcorn out of this. It won't. These are not powerful enough. I just don't want it to freaking...
That was a blast, though.
Yeah, but it's not... There's not mass behind it.
You're right. I'm standing over here. I don't care.
Clay, there's not enough mass behind it. And you want a direct angle because you're looking through little holes. That's one. Number 2.
The other one ain't doing nothing.
But it might.
Oh!
It did something.
It did something.
Eli coming in clutch with the unplug. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that smells like highlighter.
Well, we decorate. Wait.
We decorated the plate this time. Ow, fuck, that's hot. I touched this piece and it's very warm.
Good. Nothing's happening over here.
Oh, Eli, check this out.
1 second. I'll be over in a moment.
Stop making more popcorn.
No.
Okay, so wait. So the yellow one, it doesn't.
Shout out the bottom.
No, but the yellow one doesn't have that fuzz. It's literally just ink. Like we just inked the hell out of our microwave.
Dude, that's good. What will a pen do?
Oh yeah, put the pen in there.
Wait. We're gonna stand it. That end was rounded. We didn't want it. That shit'll stand.
It probably won't.
I guarantee it will.
Guarantee, huh?
I guarantee that if you don't fuck with it, it'll stand. Gotta add that disclaimer because I know you'll try to fuck with it just to prove me wrong. Stand. Yeah.
Okay. We're real nice and close to this. I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
That's just gonna create.
We might just...
That's exactly my point. Oh, Eli, it fell over.
No, it didn't.
Alright, we're doing this again. We're just gonna lay the pen down this time.
Oh, Lord.
Let's do...
The ink got on my hand.
Sponsor... Oh, yes. Sponsored by Mount Lacrosse.
Clay, no one knows where that is.
Pretty sure everyone who watches our videos know where Malacross is.
2 very boring minutes later.
In the wise words of that one pen company, gotcha, Bic.
Nothing's happening. Malacross pens are tough. We'll do the soap.
Oh, we're starting.
I hope something actually happens.
The bottom corner is doing something.
The front is all foamy.
Is it?
Mm.
Smells good.
You do.
Hey, very soap smelling in here.
It smells like a hotel bathroom.
Oof.
I'm just gonna let this run out now.
Doesn't work.
Oh, that's disgusting. Jesus Christ. Looks like a monster.
I busted a nut like that once. It's hot.
Oh, it's so flimsy. Like you could mold this.
I like mold. I eat mold.
Ooh, that's fun to touch.
I smoke mold. Oh, fuck.
Ow. 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 Okay. Alright, I guess
Real hot.
I'll stand here then. Oh, it lit.
Hey.
Oh, fuck.
I bet it's going plasma.
On the inside though, not on the outside. I can't focus on that.
That's because it's fucking behind you.
Oh!
Maybe stop it. Wait, actually.
Maybe it exploded? Just a little bit.
Maybe that was gonna be fuckity to open. Maybe I gonna unplug this bitch. Look at me, I'm so good.
I think it exploded.
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Alright.
This has been microwaving shit. With Eli and a bag of popcorn. Bye. Why are you still filming this shit? I'm literally eating popcorn.